So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit the text letter spacing in a video here on InShot. So once InShot's opened up to add some text to your video, just go to this bar right here, press on text, then press on text again. How about I just type in the word letter just as an example of the current letter spacing. Now, if you want to adjust that, this bar right below, press on the fourth option or the three horizontal lines. Now in this page where there's a capital A, lowercase a, if you were to slide this bar to the right, you can actually increase letter spacing. If you want to slide it to the left, you can actually decrease it. So if you wanted to keep it like that, for example, you can go ahead and press on the check mark right here. And there you go. Now the letter spacing has been adjusted to whatever you guys want. So if I were to play the video, the letter spacing is what it is now. Very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can edit the text letter spacing in a video here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.